Chimney Butte Ranch is an impressive 474-acre property showcasing rolling topography, wooded draws, and prime wildlife habitat, offering exceptional recreational opportunities alongside thoughtfully designed grazing infrastructure and established hay production. Situated in the heart of the Pine Ridge region of Dawes County, Chimney Butte Ranch provides easy highway access connecting you to Rapid City and the Black Hills, while also placing you near the Nebraska National Forest. Anchored by the iconic Chimney Butte, the ranch is equipped with reliable water sources from wells and tanks, along with established fencing that supports efficient livestock operations, creating a well-rounded mix of income-generating ground and recreational appeal. 2 active CRP contracts deliver consistent annual income, while a productive alfalfa field contributes additional revenue, but also serves as a natural draw for deer, turkey, elk, and other wildlife, enhancing a setting that feels both expansive and secluded. Don't miss your chance to own this unique ranch, offering a rare combination of privacy, accessibility, and year-round enjoyment in one of Nebraska's most scenic landscapes. For more information and a private qualified showing, please contact Justin Herzl or Cord Hesseltine today.